Here is my favorite foundation routine. Let's go. So first I applied my anti-aging serum. Then we are going in with a mattifying primer. Going in with my favorite serum foundation, we are going to apply this with a flat kabuki brush. And then here's a little before and after of all of the coverage. Then we're going to go in with a concealer, 2 shades lighter than my foundation, blending out around the eyes. Then I'm using this stick foundation as a contour. It blends so well on top of the serum. Then we're going to set with a translucent setting powder, throw on some mattifying bronzer. Then we're going to add this nice, beautiful light blush color and then top it off with a glowy luminizer. And here is the finished result. Very glowy, dewy look. And I love that this foundation is full coverage, but it feels very light to wear on the skin. And here's the finished look with full makeup. This bundle is on sale this month, 25% off plus free shipping. If you would like a color match, just drop color match below and I will get back to you.